In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional logic in WP forms. Conditional logic is a really useful feature because it allows your form to react based on a user's answers. That means you can show or hide fields only when they're relevant, which helps keep your forms cleaner, shorter, and easier for people to complete. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open WP Forms. From there, open the form you want to edit in the WP Forms builder. Once you're inside the builder, look at the form preview area and click on the specific field you want to control with conditional logic. This is important because the logic you create will apply only to the field you've selected. As soon as you click the field options panel will open on the left side of the screen. Next, go to the Smart Logic tab at the top of that field options panel. This is where WP Forms gives you the tools to create rules for how the field should behave. If you've never used it before, don't worry. The setup is very straightforward once you know where everything is. Inside the Smart Logic tab, turn on the Enable Conditional Logic switch. Once that toggle is enabled, you'll see additional settings appear underneath. These settings are what let you tell WP Forms when the selected field should be shown or hidden based on another answer in the form. Now it's time to configure the logic statements using the drop-down menus. WP Forms makes this part visual and easy to follow. You'll choose the rule by selecting the options from each drop-down so you don't need to write any code. This is where you decide exactly how the field should respond to user input. As you build the rule, you'll define two main parts, the action and the condition. The action tells WP Forms what should happen to the field, such as whether it should be shown or hidden. The condition tells WP Forms when that action should happen based on a value selected or entered in another field. In other words, you're creating an if this then that rule for your form. Take a moment to review your selections carefully so the logic matches the user experience you want to create. A small adjustment in the condition can make a big difference in how the form behaves. Once everything looks right, your conditional logic setup is ready to support a smarter, more dynamic form. And that's how to create conditional logic in WP Forms.